Hi, morning once again. It has really been long ever since we met here. I'm so excited. Today is morning, so this is my restaurant actually back behind here. It's called Love Restaurant, and today I want to teach you how to actually wash, clean, rinse your machine for a very nice good taste in terms of coffee. You know, sometimes when our coffee machines are not clean, they tend to give us actually not a good taste. So today I want to show you how to clean the machine, and it's very, very important. So what do I always say? Let's get in and see how we can able to do it. Yeah, so I'm in now. So let's get back to work. My tools are ready over here. So it's the same machine that we're gonna work on today. I'm gonna show you the Victoriaarduino, the Black Eagle. So that's what you're gonna clean today. Yeah, let's go. So this is the machine that I always cruise on over here that today we're gonna clean. These are my tools that I'm gonna use today. My portafilters are here, but first of all, what we need to know actually what we are cleaning actually in the machine. It's not just about of cleaning everything in the machine. There are very important places that actually need to know we're supposed to be cleaning. So in a quick sum up, I'm gonna show you today what's important to clean in a machine actually. So the first thing that we're gonna clean today, we're gonna clean our group head. This is called a group head. So we're gonna clean this group head. We're gonna clean inside the group head. Then also I'm gonna show you how to clean the steaming jet over here. To clean because you always froth milk and steam milk. So I'm gonna show you how to clean over here, and also the water nozzle. I'm gonna show you how to clean it. So just the basics to make you have a nice coffee in your house. First I'm gonna remove my portafilters from the group head. Place them down here nicely. Place them down nicely. Then we're gonna clean the group head first. Just a matter of a soft touch cleaning. So we have a brush over here. So this is a brush that we use for cleaning. As you're able to see, there's something like a spoon over here, and also like a brush, like the way you always brush your teeth. So the spoon over here, we're gonna use it somewhere else. I'm gonna show you where we're gonna use it. So, but first of all, we're just gonna use it the brush to clean actually our group head over here, to clean our group head over here, because I know on a busy day when we're putting our coffee on the portafilter, we put it over here. So some of the coffee chips tend to remain actually beneath over our group head. So we're gonna just have a soft touch, but I'm gonna show you the inside of the group head so that you can actually see what I mean by the coffee chips inside. So yesterday night I didn't clean it, I left it so that I can have this video to show you actually what always remains, the residues of the coffee inside our group head. So kindly just have a look. As you can able to see, this is the inside part of the group head actually, where we always insert our portafilter when extracting the coffee. So if I remove my portafilter and I haven't washed my group head, you can able to see some of the chips of the coffee actually down here. You can able to see this. These are the chips of the coffee actually down here. So we need to rinse and able to clean this actually. So and that is we're gonna use something clean for me to show you actually what I mean. So I'm just gonna use a small piece of cloth over here. Then you can able to see, if I do like this one, you see the chips are falling down, and this is what I'm talking about. These are the chips actually that always remain. So if you don't clean actually your portafilter, you don't get that nice coffee. So I'm gonna show you how to clean it. So we'll have actually a soft cleaning. We start backflashing our machine. So you press there, you press this one. So this is called backflashing actually. So we start rinsing. So you start actually gently brushing actually over your group head where I've showed you actually. You brush gently, brush gently, brush gently, brush gently. Same applies actually also to the other group head. Just brush inside gentle. I am brushing. I'm gonna brush. I'm gonna try to show you actually. So we brush round. Also the same as we black flush the water. We're gonna actually start to remove the residue. So these are the first steps that you actually you do. You're gonna brush it. You're gonna brush it the way you brush your teeth in the morning. So you brush, you gargle, you brush, you gargle. Then that's the first step actually that we have done. So let's go to the next step.
So we have really actually rinsed inside our group head. So these were actually we were brushing at the edges. This is where we have the coffee chips here. So this is actually where we wash, and also brush the chimney actually over here. So but this is not the end of the road now. So I'm gonna use this tool over here, my screwdriver. So we're gonna open this chimney over here. So if you open this chimney also over here, there's too much dust actually which is over here. So sometimes they make the coffee actually bitter. So I'm gonna open this one, then we're gonna clean it. So same applies also to the other group head. So whatever I'm doing here, also to the other group head. So we're gonna open here so that you can see actually what's inside here and how dirty it is and how we're supposed to clean it. Yellow. So I'm gonna open up the group head now. This will go much intense. So we have actually opened it up. This is actually what I was opening. You can able to see. I've opened it up. This is how it is. So and be careful. This screw, if it gets lost, you won't have coffee. For the rest, I don't know until you replace it. So make sure you put it back in a toolbox over here where you can able to see it. And you can see now my chimney now. This one, I don't know even the last time actually I watched. I think it was like 3 days ago. That's when I was very intensely. But yesterday we were very busy. That's why we have all this. We did a lot of coffee yesterday. So but now this is what I'm showing you. You see actually the way inside it looks like. So all this actually is so grossy. We need to clean up all this, sanitize it very well. And these are the things actually that you can have a very good coffee. Very good machine. The milk you have fought so nicely, but if you don't check on this, the coffee goes to the guest and gets bitter. So let's check actually again what's inside here. So after we have removed this one, the chimney, we have removed the chimney. This is the chimney. You see the way it is very grossy. I was using my tool over here to remove. So this is actually the inner part of the group head now. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna also flush the water again. Then I'm gonna scrub it again with the brush. I'm gonna rinse it so nicely inside. I do it much more thoroughly. Then we're gonna sanitize our stuff over here. Then we fix it back. Then we make our coffee. Yeah. So these are my glossy stuff over here. So all these chips actually. I said I always clean after every 3 days, in-depth cleaning after 3 days, but yesterday we were very busy. Thursday, Fridays are busiest days, so that's why actually they look like this one. So I want to clean actually again inside the group head after removing this stuff. So I'm going to backwash the water. Oops. And you can see the way the water is coming out. So we cannot actually backwash the water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put the water in a jug. I dip my I'll be dipping this one and cleaning. So if I backflush, the water is coming this other side. I don't want to bath. I already bath in the morning. So this is how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna just dip like this one because if I do a black flush, the water is coming towards this side because I've used the chimney. So I'm just gonna dip this one. I rinse slowly like this, the way I'm doing. Again, I dip it. I rinse slowly like this. Done. So the next step we're gonna do, remember what I'm doing in this group head. Also we do it the same group head. The same thing that I'm doing over here is the same thing that also you're gonna do in the same group head. But if you have one group head, same procedure. So we're gonna now wash and able to rinse this. But remember they are very oily, so take them, dip them nicely here. Dip them nicely here. Then after that one, I'm going to use portafilter
because hot water is good to remove the oil. Then I will soak it a few minutes with my kafiza. This is called the kafiza. This is actually what I'll be using to clean the group bed. I'll tell you actually the main thing about this, how it works. It's used to clean and sanitize the group bed. But right now, you just take a little bit over here, then we sanitize. My stuff are inside. You can see even the color is changing. It's so glossy. You see the color of the coffee is coming out, so the water is too hot. So I'm gonna pour this water in the sink. So it's too hot. I'll put my container here. Then I'll start now. Open our slow water. Then I'll start rinsing the chimney. And you can able to see it was so glossy, but now it's becoming shiny. Actually, like a silver now. So this is what I'll do. Scrub it off. And remember, in my tutorial, I always give you the ice cream and the cake. I'll show you each and everything actually, what you're supposed to do. Things that they don't show you. But Barista Antonio is gonna show you. So rinse it, and now you can see it is very clean, right? Very clean. Then I'm gonna take it and we're gonna cover it back. This is how it fits. So very shiny and very clean, ready for fixing. Then very soon we're gonna make our coffee. So it's time. So I'm gonna fix my my chimney back nicely. The way I found it, I'm really sorry. Antonio is not a technician, but I'm just forced to do this. My hands will be shaking, but here I go. I got it. Great. I got it now. We already fixed it now. So let's go to the next step. So we are almost actually done. So I'll be able to black flush again, and you can see my water actually is coming very clean now. Actually inside we have washed, we have removed the funnel. You see, same applies to this one. The water is coming very nice. The nice flow of water, and actually this is how it's supposed to actually to be. So the next thing we're gonna use we're gonna use the kafiza. This is what is called the kafiza. So we have so many items for washing our machine and sanitizing. So kafiza actually is used to clean and sanitize the group bed. I'm gonna show you how to do it very nicely and lovely. So these are our next steps that we're gonna do. More about the kafiza you can check actually my Facebook page at Barista Bernado Antonio. I've described actually its purpose, how it is used, and the benefits of using the kafiza. So follow me up on my Facebook page and able to learn about this. So, but for now, let's do this. So we take our group bed, our portafilter from the group bed for us to wash the group bed now nicely. We are in our last doing stuff, but here I want to show you some of the things. And I've already told you I fired my cameraman, so I'm doing this alone. Barista is multitasking. So I'm going to introduce something here for you so that you can able to see and able to know. It's a bit tricky, but I'm going to do it for you. I said actually everything for you with Barista Antonio. So we have two types of portafilters here. So this is a blunt portafilter. It doesn't have a chimney down here. Even if I put my coffee here, it won't come. So they are blunt. They are called blunt portafilters, as you can able to see. And we have our normal regular portafilters that you know that they have the chimney. They look like a chimney. If you put your coffee over here, they drip from the bottom over here. So this is what you use when you're using the extraction. But when you want to clean our machine, we use the blunt portafilters. So what we do. This way now the catheter is coming in for cleaning and sanitizing our machine. So basically what you do here, so I'm going to use my brush. I'm going to show you the measurement, how many spoons you're going to put over here, then we're going to clean. So this is where my spoon gets in. You know, you see the brush over here, it has a spoon. So the spoon is for scooping the catheter. So I'm gonna just make a slight scoop, not too much. Actually, like I just say like not too much the spoon over here because the machine already clean. But I always take a full scoop when I don't do an in-depth cleaning. Actually, I take a full scoop. But now since my machine is very clean, I'm just gonna take small, put it over there, put my catheter aside. Then this way now I'm gonna introduce my portafilters. So even these ones I didn't rinse them because I wanted to show you something today, how to be able to wash them. We're gonna see how to wash them now. Then you take your portafilter, the blunt ones, then you fix them actually in the group head. I mean in the fix them over here the way I've fixed this one. This is how you fix them. Here, set it over here. I'm alone, so sorry about that. Yeah, so we are set with our catheter. It's in our blunt portafilter. So now we're gonna actually wash this machine and able to rinse. But one thing I like to say is that this is a semi-digital machine actually. It has actually a program for actually washing and rinsing itself. So, but if you don't have actually this type of machine, you have a manual machine, you can just actually put your portafilter over here and do it manually. But now I'm gonna show you how you're gonna do it digitally. So you fix actually your blunt portafilter. I mean your portafilters in the group with the catheter like this one. And remember, this is a blunt portafilter that we have fixed, so even they won't drip down. So over here we kind of have like a button over here. So if I push this button, it's gonna taking me to a washing mode for rinsing, and it's gonna go through circles and circles and circles until it rinses, until it finishes by itself. So you press this one. Then I've set my password because I always have my password over here. I don't always want people to interfere with my machine because I do a lot of settings when doing the calibration. So that's why I have my password, and you are privileged today. You have seen my password, but I'm able to change it actually. So then after changing your password, it will give you something like this one, set group head. So which group head do you want to wash? So group head 1 is this one is group head 2, as you can able to see. So I want to set my group head, so I'll use my knob. I'll select just the way you selected your phone. Then you press inside, you see it has clicked, start washing. Again, I go to group head 2. You see when it is white, it means when you see it is white over here, it means it has been selected. So then I also select it again. You see it has clicked. So now the cleaning process has started, and if you can able to see in the machine over here, it is saying it is cleaning. Group head 1 is cleaning, group head 2 is cleaning, group head 1 is cleaning, group head 2. So it is a circle that will take like 10 to 15 minutes. That's what's it's gonna take, and you can see the clicking sounds of the machine. Tap, tap. So it is cleaning now, and you can see also it's cleaning, and there's nothing actually coming from the bottom over here. So because we have put the blank portafilters, so we don't expect anything to come in. So
we are in the rinsing mode. As you can able to see, the machine now is rinsing. It was cleaning, now it is rinsing actually now. So we are in an automatic wash cycle. As you can able to see, automatic wash cycle. So it's automatically actually rinsing. So what you need to do, actually to select the glue pad actually to start that automatic, and it has finished now. So when you go back here and it gives you actually now the full data, it means that the machine has actually finished washing and rinsing now. So you can see the temperatures for machines are okay, the date for today, and the time as well. And also my pressure bar is very okay now. So now the next thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna remove the portafilters. We see what's inside. So this is what we got in our portafilters inside after the machine has washed and rinsed. So we're gonna see what's actually inside over here. But remember, I did a thorough cleaning, so I know we don't have much to show. So just a little, and yellow. There we go. You see, I can able to have some. I can see some chips of coffee. Let me just have a close look for that. I'm able to see some chips of coffee. The water is not that dirty because actually started doing a thorough cleaning. But on a regular mode, when you don't actually do that thorough cleaning, that phase actually is always very massive with lots of dirt and lot of chips. So we're gonna do it also from this other group head. I'm able to see same thing, and the water is not that dirty and the chips. So this water, just pour it down. We don't need it. So I'm doing it over here. Over here. Then after doing that one, so just backflush your group head again. So this is what you do. Backflush your group head. Then doing. See, the water is coming very nice and very clean now. See, they are doing. So you can also put back the portafilter, the blunt one again. Backflush again, just to check inside the portafilter if the water is so clear, there are no chips inside, then we are good to go. And that's how we do our cleaning. So let's check again and able to see our portafilters. So let it move again, and see now our water is becoming much more clear and very clean now. So the machine is clean and ready actually to go. But since I've washed with the Cafiza, I keep on backflushing. Then I'll rush to my sink over here. I will take my brush. Over here. So just soft touch rinsing now because everything's done. Just backflushing and doing soft touch rinsing. There I'm doing over here, and we are done. So I'm gonna return back our normal filters. This one, then we extract our coffee. But remember, I showed you if you want actually to have nice clean portafilters, what do you do? Let me show you. Then we extract our coffee. At night actually, after the operations on a very busy day, the portafilters are not always actually very clean. They are always very glossy, and so they know also we need to handle the portafilters. And you can see down there they look like brown color. The coffee has been running there. This one I didn't wash because I wanted to show you an example. So we need actually to clean it. So the best way to clean this one, what we do, we soak it inside warm water with the Cafiza that I've actually showed you over there. Then after soaking it with hot water or maybe warm water, you leave it overnight actually to soak. So after leaving it overnight to soak, you come and clean it the following day in the morning. So like this one, what I do, I dip it inside my tin. They always fit nicely, all of them too. So like this one, nicely. Then you put hot water.
Then, but always make sure that the water don't touch the rubber when you're putting the coffee because of the chemical reactions and it is able to spoil the rubber. So always make sure that it's beneath, actually the water reaches beneath the rubber here. Then you take your small coffeezer, and this actually you're doing it at night after the closing shift. So you put your coffeezer actually inside over here in the water filter. Then also as you soak your water filter inside over here, you also take your water filters. You have taken this one, you soak them, all of them together. All the water filters that you are using, you soak them actually. Then you leave them overnight. So tomorrow when you come in the morning, now assuming in the morning, you take them to your sink over here. Now you want to assume it's in the morning actually. So they're over here in the sink. So right now we are assuming in the morning they're ready to serve the whole night. So we remove them again from the coffeezer. Remove the water with the coffeezer. Then now you start actually cleaning them and rinsing them nicely, one by one, by scrubbing it out here. Then the portafilter will be very shiny and very clean. That's how we clean our portafilters. So right now, let's go ahead and able to make our coffee because our machine is very clean. Everything is fine. So right now we're going to make our coffee. And that's how actually we clean our machines. So I hope you find this video very informative. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So after washing the machine, what you do, just extract coffee, then place it inside your water filter. And the coffee that actually you have already extracted, that we have extracted, just put also in another liquid that I'm putting. Then this coffee that we're going to extract over here after washing the machine, the coffees and the chemicals, it's not for drinking actually. So we're going to just extract it. Then we're going to remove the pepper test. We're going to remove the, actually not the pepper test, sorry, I'm the manual boost. We extract the coffee. So this we do actually to rinse and to bring the nice aroma on the brew pads. So this actually we're going to do it over there. So these I'm doing actually to remove the taste for the coffees and the chemical that I've actually able to use during the cleaning of the machine. So the coffee is not for drinking. So after the extraction, I'm going to store this coffee. So this is the first procedure that you do before you start extracting coffee and able to give our guests. So just make a normal extraction. They have actually made a normal extraction. Then I'm going to store this coffee, and also it's good to do fast extractions to bring the nice aroma actually in a restaurant. So as you can see, I'll be doing this. So that's the first thing that you need to do actually when you have washed your machine. So that's the first step that you do. So our machine is ready to be able to give our guest coffee. I have my customer here. Some who likes the Spanish latte. I'm going to make for Spanish latte. Then you're going to tell us how the Spanish latte actually tasting after washing our machine. Sorry about that one, you have a lot of noise. We are doing out of opening it over here. Now let's make the Spanish latte, then we serve it, and we're going to call it again. I'm using 20 grams of coffee today Brazilian. No, today I'm using the Colombian beans. That's what I'm using. So I'm gonna make this coffee for our fleet manager. Actually, I'm gonna make Spanish. I'm going to see over here. So do my extraction over here, and then we make this nice Spanish latte. So this is my first order that I'm making for fleet manager. She's just sitting over there. She likes, I haven't done any calibration. So, but also I think this one is testing to be able to see if I have a nice flow of my coffee. And you can able to see I have a nice flow of coffee. It is dripping. So you're gonna serve in this coffee. Then you're gonna see actually the way it's gonna give us. So giving me 40 seconds, so it means that the pre-infusion only took 10 seconds, so 30. Then I'm gonna pour my coffee inside over here. I'm holding the camera at the same time serving. With this one in. So this is my Spanish here. I'm gonna cover it nicely.
Yeah, let's go.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah.
Good. Qahwa, good. Hada qahwa, this good.
Yeah, so today I'm having my fleet manager. Yeah, I always give him a Spanish latte so that we are making.
Good.
So he's saying it's mia mia.
تمام 100
Mia mia.
مية.
شكرا حبيبي.
حبيبي انت مدير بعد. يلا السلام عليكم.
Okay.